Hi team, this video is on a key kind of first speed play called the give and go. Let's see what these players in red are doing right here. Notice that this player that had the disc threw it to his teammate right here because the defense is standing way off of them, not guarding them closely. As soon as he threw the disc, he started sprinting into this open space. That's what the give and go is. Here we have another one. He gets the disc, and then the person who threw it to him. These two players are throwing it back and forth to each other, and they're sprinting as soon as they throw off the disc. Why did they do the give and go in this situation? Let's watch it one more time. Why does the give and go work there? Because the defense is playing way too far off them. Notice how far off away these defenders are playing. So the offensive players, the players in red, decide to exploit that by running as soon as they throw the frisbee. That's how the give and go works. Let's see another example. Notice the player throws the disc there and runs up line as soon as he throws it. It's really hard to guard the give and go because the person, number 2 in white here, is just point guarding. And if you're on point guarding, you're guarding the person with the frisbee, it's hard to just wheel around and start sprinting in the direction that you're not facing. It's easier for the thrower to throw and start sprinting than it is for the defensive player to be point guarding and starting sprinting. That's why the give and go can be so effective. Here's another example. The most common give and go is this one that we're watching right here. Notice this player with the disc that just got the reception. This is the huge, big open cutting lane. These receivers down here are nicely making space in all this area. So the person who just got the frisbee caught it early in that space. And that means that there's a huge space behind them. The cutting lane behind it is still open. So giving the disc and then going up the line, continuing in that cutting space is the most common type of give and go. Just like the one that we saw. Okay, one final example. Why would these players be doing the give and go here? So here the player in red has the disc here, and he's going to give it to this player, because notice the defense is nowhere to be found. These players are too far off. So if you notice that the defense is being lackadaisical, they're not guarding you closely, then think about giving a really quick pass and sprinting up the field. So another quick give and go. The person gives the disc and starts running and making the cut immediately. That's how the give and go works. So here's the give, and he goes, and then he gets the disc right back. Think about using this in your games if you ever notice that the defense is being too lazy and they're not guarding you closely. Okay, thanks.